Good morning students. Today we are going to learn problem set number 3 of second chapter number work. In this chapter we are learning how we have to write the given numbers in word. The same thing also we have to do in a problem set number 3. Let's start the question number 1. Read the numbers and write them in words. Here we have the numbers and we are going to write them in words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit. Means here we have the 6 digit numbers. Once recall, we are always starting the numbers from unit. Unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10,000, then lakh. So here we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit. Means we have to reach till lakhs place. So how it could be happen? Take any examples. We are written. Unit is 0, 10 is 2, 100 is 4, 1000 is 3, 10,000 is 4, lakh is 8. As we learn, always unit and tens read together, 100 individually, 1000 and 10,000 read together, and lakhs individually. So it will become 20, 4, 43, 8. Can we say 8 lakh 43,420? Once again, 8 lakh 43,820. This way we are going to continue. Let's start the sub question number 1. Again, we have to start unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. As we learn, unit and tens together will become 34. 100 individually, 1000, 10,000 together will become 65. Yes. So 7,65,234. Once again, 7,65,234. Let's write 7,65,000 and 234. This way we can write 7,65,234. Come for the second one. Again, unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Unit tens together, 100 individually, 1000 and 10,000 together, and lakhs individually. 4,70,225. 4,73,225. This way we can write. Now third one. Again, unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. As I said, unit tens together it will become 0, 1. That is nothing else. 100 individually we have the 0 at the 100 place. 7 and 27 together, 1000, 10,000, 27. So 3,27,000. Here we don't have any numbers at the place of 100. Means 0 is there. It doesn't any value. So 3,27,001. 3,27,001. Directly we can write. The last one, unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Again unit tens together will become 75. 100 individually, 1000, 10,000, 75 together, 8,75,375. We should write 8,75,375. This way we can write the given numbers in the words. Now turn for the second question. Question number 2. Read the numbers and write them in figure. Whatever we did, we are going to reverse of that. First, read the number. 1,35,008. 1 lakh. The first one means we have to write till lakh place. So for that, what we have to do? We need unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. Writing just unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. What will we have to write at the place of that? 1 lakh. At the place of lakh 1, we are written 35,000. As we learn, 35,000 means that included 10,000 and 1,000. So 35,000 till 1,000, 8. 8 is nothing the 100. That is the unit. And we learn till 9 we are writing 0, 8. This way 100 we don't have, we put the 0. So it will become 1,35,008. So we can write 1,35,008. This way we can find out the given numbers. Whatever we have in words, we can convert that into the figures. Come for the second one. 7,27,155. Again till lakh. So we needed unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 7 lakh. At the place of lakh we should write 7. 27,000. 1,000 we have to put over here. How much 1,000 is given? 27. So 2, 7, 27,000. As because 10,000 and 1,000 comes together, we learn that. 100. At the place of 100, 1. 55. So unit and tens together, 55. So it will turn like that. We have to write the answer 7,27,155. This way. The next one, third one is 4,25,003. Again unit, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. We written. Substitute the values. 4 lakh. At the place of lakh 4. 25,000. Come on the 1,000 and how much 1,000 is given? 25. So 2, 5. 3. Directly 3 is given. Unit is 3. What we are not getting in a sentence, in the number, put 0. So it will become like this way. We can convert 4,25,003. The last one, 9,09,099. Again the same way we have to start. Unit, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Substitute the values. 9 lakh. At the place of 9 lakh, 9,000. At the place of 1,000, 9. 9,000 means there is 0 9. As because we learned 1,000 and 10,000 comes together. 99. 9 and 9, 9 unit tens together. We don't have 100, that is 0. So this way we can convert that 9,09,099. Yes. So this way we can convert the given numbers, whatever we have in words, we should convert into the digits in the figures. Now come for the third question. Make five 6-digit numbers each time using any one digit 0 to 9 only once. Means we have to use 0 to 1 digit and only once, and we have to make 5. How much? 1 2 3 4 5 6-digit numbers. 6 digit matlab means we can say till lakh. Let's start. We can take any number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 3 1 0 5 2. Just we have to remember we should not repeat in digit. So it will become 7,31,052. You can see over here I am not repeated any of the digits. 7 3 1 0 5 2. Each and every digit come at once. The same way you can make that numbers 9 2 5 4 3 0. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have to read that 9,25,430. The next one 1 2 3 4 5 6. We can write this way. So it will become 1,23,456. Or we can write 6 5 4 3 2 0. So it will become 6,54,320. We need to write one more. 1 3 0 5 3 9. Is it right? 1 3 0 5 3 9. No, as because we repeated the digit 3. So just change it. So it will become 1,30,589. Let's start problem set number 4. In the problem set number 4 also we have the same thing. Read the number and write them in words. The difference is that only 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digits. Here we have 7 digits. So it's always it starts from unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 1 2 3 4 5 6 till lakhs we done. Now we have 7. After lakh that is 10 lakh. So as we learn, unit tens comes together, 1000 10,000 comes together, and lakhs 10 lakhs come together. Means only the number on the 100 place we have to read individually. So unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. These two comes together will become 99. 100 individual, 1000 10,000 will become 79. Lakh 10 lakh will become 25. 25 lakh 79,899. We have to write over here. 25 lakh 79,899. This way we can write. The second one, units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Units 10 10 together become 606. 1000 10,000 70, lakh 10 lakh 30. 100 will be individual. So 30 lakhs 70,000 500 and 6. This way we can write. The next one is again unit tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Unit 10 together 0, 4, 100 individual, 1000, 10,000, 71, lakh, 10 lakh together 45. 45 lakh 71,504. So 45 lakhs 71,504 This way we can write. The last one is unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh. Unit 10 together 0, 9, 100 individually, 1000, 10,000, 0, 9, lakh, 10 lakh, 21. 21 lakh 9,900. We don't have anything at the unit place, that is 0. So till 900. So 21 lakh 9,900 and we cannot have 900 till 900. We don't have at any place of the unit. So 21 lakh 9,900. Yes, this way we can write the given number, 7-digit number in a words. The second one is here. Given below are the deposits made in the Women's Cooperative Credit Society of some districts. Read those figures. Just we have the districts names and some rupees amount that is given to the Women Cooperative Credit Society. Just we have to write that. Read means we have to write that in a words. So rupees unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So unit 10 together 100 will be individual, 1000, 10,000 together, lakh, 10 lakhs together. So rupees 94 lakh 29,408. The second one is given Nasik. So rupees unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Again the same way 61 lakh 7,100 and 87. This way we can write. The next one is about Nagpur. Unit 10, 100, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Again 46 lakh rupees. 46 lakhs 53,000 500 and 70. 46 lakh 53,000 570. This way we can write, as because we are not able to read that, so we have to write the given figures in a words. So this way we learn how we have to convert 6-digit and 7-digit in a words, and if the words is given, so how we are going to convert that into the figure. So you have the homework for today, remaining questions of problem set number 3 as well as 4. As because whatever we did in today's video, that is the half of the question number 1. Like you can see here the second question is given height is 1 2 3. The remaining questions of this question number 2 and like the same way the other questions of problem set number 3 and 4 you have to solve it. Thank you.